Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lewis with Crypto Elite, and I know I just did my Bitcoin analysis, so now I'm going to do my Ethereum analysis because lo and behold, it actually is mirroring Bitcoin almost to a T. And so check this out. We got the low, and then we got a high, and then we got a higher low, just like in Bitcoin, and now we're right here. Ethereum, I literally had to check both charts because I thought I was looking at the Bitcoin chart because it's so similar. And so remember what we did with Bitcoin, how you take the fib retracement and you take it from the top to the bottom, right? So what's a good level to look at? Well, it already surpassed, this level of 38.2. This is where it bounced off originally, and then it came back down, right? And then it bounced back up to the 50. So now the area to look at is the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, the golden ratio right over here, right? So this is where it may hit if, just like Bitcoin, it's following an A, B, C pattern right up here. And actually look at where the C lands. It lands on the 200-day moving average. Very, very big resistance up there. This also coincides with the Constantinople coming up, the fork coming up in late February. So the cool thing is that if you take the Fibonacci and you take the Fibonacci from the B wave so far, I mean the C wave, and you come it up and you bring it up here, maybe it will come back down to the 38.2, right? And then possibly come up to hit the C wave. Check this out. If you take the trend-based fib extension and you take it from the A wave, just like in Bitcoin, just like what we just did, and you bring it up and then you bring it down to the B wave, look at this. Look at how ridiculous this is. This is the 100% right here of this fib extension, right? So check this out. This is look at the 100%. When I bring it back down to the B, this is the 100%. This is the 61.8% for this fib structure. Like, it's crazy. It lines up exactly. $179.28 versus $180.34. The confluence is so crazy. It is, however, a little bit above the 61.8, 170. So it's $10 above 170. So that is a little worrying. However, it has nice confluence with this particular resistance right here, right? And maybe there's more to the left. There is a little, well, this is at 167. So personally, I would take profit more around this level, between 170 and 179. I would start scaling out, starting around 170. And if you take a long position, and you take a long position at the 38.2, just like what is possible with Bitcoin, if it's still moving up, and you bring this down, and you bring this here, this has a pretty solid, a ridiculously good risk to reward ratio. Can we get up there? We might actually be able to get up here with the fork that is coming up. So you gotta do your own technical analysis. This is only one side of the coin. I am not actually showing the bearish side of the coin. Maybe we'll get up and we'll make a double top. Maybe we had a top right here. Maybe we have a little bit more room to go. We'll see. I sold all of my ETH. I bought it all at 103, and I just sold it at the top right up here at 146, 147. So I'm waiting for a retrace, and I might get back in. And this is what I was talking about in my post, my last post. This is 31.23%. And if we go to Bitcoin's chart for the same exact C wave structure up, which is right here. I just changed screens for you to Bitcoin, and you could see this is only 13% up to complete the C wave from the 38.2 retracement. So 13% versus Ethereum's 30%, and I'll go back to Ethereum now. Now we're back at Ethereum at 30%. You could see trading alts yields so much better returns for the same risk to reward. So if Bitcoin's going up, or if Bitcoin is stabilizing, you want to be in alts because you'll get a lot more gains, a lot more bang for your buck. Oh, and I actually also forgot to mention, or to put in the parallel channel, just like I put it in with Bitcoin, where you take the bottom to the bottom, and then you bring it up, so you get the wick to the wick right here. And look at where it lands. Look at where it lands. 61.8, the 100% fib extension, the resistance, previous resistance. So we might see ETH go, and the 200 EMA. Oh man, 200 moving average. This is 200-day moving average. Yeah, I think ETH is gonna go. I think ETH is gonna continue to move up to 175. At least 170. I think I'm gonna get into ETH at the retracement. I think it still has some more room to go. Anyway, like I said before, always use proper risk management. Never always use stop losses and everything like that. Talk to you all later. Peace out.